Here we go, HOBBYBOX604 back with another group break. It's Friday night live at HOBBYBOX604. First time we're going live on Fridays starting this week, March 4th. We are live every Friday as well as our Wednesdays and Sundays from 5 p.m. Pacific. And we're going to have specials like this. This is a Friday night special, $10 mini mixer, 6 boxes. We start with our oldest one, 0809 Ice. Hopefully we get something from this. The last box we opened, it was all base. We get one rookie, I'll be happy. This break was only 10 US a spot or 13 Canadian. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Actually, I forgot to read the list. My bad. Anaheim Ducks, Steve H. Arizona, Thomas A. Boston, Harry Speck Jr., Buffalo, Evan Brown, Calgary, West P. Carolina, Hunter M. Chicago, Sean B. Colorado, Sean B. Columbus, Mikey K. Dallas, Bob S. Detroit, Harry S. Edmonton, West P. Florida, Ricky P. LA, Bob S. Minnesota, Michelle B. Montreal, Thomas A. Nashville, Everett W. New Jersey, Todd H. Islanders was traded to Michelle B. Rangers, Clara. Ottawa, Jeff M. Philly, Todd D. Pittsburgh, Ricky P. San Jose, Boyd Z. St. Louis, Jeff M. Tampa, Charles Y. Toronto goes to Steve H. Vancouver, Everett W. Washington, Evan B. And Winnipeg, Boyd Z. Let's see. Oh, these are stuck. Base, 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 and base. Nice looking base, but all base. If anyone wants their base cards, if you want to pay for shipping, I have no problem shipping your base. Base. Come on. Let's get at least one hit. Base. And base. Come on, one, even one insert. Wow. Waste of a box. Yep. All base. Okay, well, I don't like that, so we are gonna throw in overtime pack. It's so bad. We got a rookie, Andreas Antanasio for the Detroit Red Wings. Blue, Jonathan Quick for LA, and Mike Messier for the Rangers. Oh, that one was better than our ice box. 11-12 contenders, box number 44. Yeah, those older blasters, unfortunately, are crap. But all you need is pull Stamkos ice from it, Claude Giroux ice from it, and you're good. Our first contenders back. The pack is base as well. Okay, we don't want the break to be like this, so let's go. We have a Cup Contenders 462 of 999 for the St. Louis Blues. For Tampa Bay Lightning, it is Martin St. Louis. I don't know why I said for the St. Louis Blues. Marty St. Louis for Tampa Bay. My bad, guys. Apologize. Base. We have a Cup Contender, a Calder Contender Signatures. That is our rookie autograph for the Philadelphia Flyers, Zach Rinaldo. Even though it's expired, Panini will get you something. So just scratch the code, give them a call, you should be okay. We've had that confirmed a few times actually. So that's what I like about Panini. They don't do that random draw thing. For the Edmonton Oilers, 113 of 999, rookie of Colton Tibert. Base. Base. Oh, we have a patch, I guess. Oh, nice. Nice patch for the Pittsburgh Penguins. 73 of 100. Marc-Andre Fleury with a beautiful patch. Wow. Nice hit, Pittsburgh. That is Ricky Paul. Wow. Gorgeous card. Very nice hit for Ricky. Nice patch on it, too. Good autograph. Card is in pretty good condition. Edges have a little bit of white around it, but not bad overall. Nice hit there, Ricky. Nice hit. Didn't expect a patch to come out of this. I guess I forgot that they used to have patches in this. We should have at least one more auto, I believe. For the Carolina Hurricanes, NHL Inc., Justin Falk. Carolina is Hunter M. Justin Falk. Not bad. Base. Oops. Base. Base. 3 left. Pretty decent box of contenders. For the Washington Capitals, a rookie 386 of 999, Todd Ford for Washington. And the last pack, pretty decent box of contenders in my opinion, and is base. Not bad, not bad. Let's keep the hits going. We go with 1213, and it is 1213 certified, box number 87. Let's go, Crosby. Pack 1. We have Immortals for the Stinky Leafs, number 12 of 999, Johnny Bauer. Rookie autograph to 999 for the Colorado Avalanche, Mike Connolly. 506 of 999. Colorado is Sean B. That is base, right? Yep. You get 1 base pack per box, I think. Sometimes you don't. For the Colorado Avalanche, number 39 of 299, Fabrics of the Game, Ryan O'Reilly. Back-to-back Colorado hits. Nice. We have a gold, number 19 of 25 for the Nashville Predators, Shea Weber. Shea Weber gold, 19 of 25 for the Preds. Come on, we need to get a hit for Clara. There is a redemption, and let's go big card. Freshman Fabrics, number 186 for the Ottawa Senators, Jacob Silverberg. For the Ottawa Senators, Jacob Silverberg. Freshman Fabrics, rookie jersey auto. And Ottawa is Jeff M. Oh, we got a patch. Oh, nice. For Colorado again. Gold Fabrics of the Game, two-color prime, 9 of 25. Jersey number, eBay 1 of 1. Matt Duchene. Matt Duchene, 9 of 25. eBay 1 of 1. Gold Fabrics of the Game, two-color. Nice hit for sure. Matt Duchene. Colorado got 3 hits in this box. And our second base. Our third base. Okay. I guess you get more than one. It's a good box to content, certified for sure. And we have a random to do. Pat to the Cup. Patrick Kane and Shane Doan. Coyotes and Blackhawks. That is Sean B. and Thomas A. If one of you guys want to give that up to the other guys, we don't need to do the random. Just let me know. Okay, so far so good. We are to our fourth box. 1314 playbook. Box number is 58. Pretty heavy, so double booklet maybe. Nope, one booklet. But we got a redemption again. Wow, so far redemption in every box. For the Columbus Blue Jackets, number 55 of 249, base, Marian Gaborik. Booklet is first round editions, Elias Lindholm for the Carolina Hurricanes. Elias Lindholm, a rookie jersey autograph booklet. Carolina is Hunter M. And we flip. Oh, nice hit for the Vancouver Canucks. Number 59 of 99, biography, Trevor Linden. That's Everett W. Trevor Linden autograph. Nice hit. And we have a redemption. Another booklet, number 16 for the Buffalo Sabres, Mikhail Grigorenko. First round edition booklet. Number 16, Mikhail Grigorenko for Buffalo. That is Evan B. Everett has it, and I don't think he's going to give it up. Okay. Just going to stop the YouTube video and start it again. I don't even know if Everett's watching or not. Everett, are you watching? Okay, part 2. Here we go, back with part 2. Group break 615. It's fifth. We are to our fifth box, 1415 Black Diamond, box number 581. Yeah, they would have. Where's the bonus pack? Oh, right there. Still 2 boxes left, though. Can't say that. Our bonus, it is Alex Stolick for the San Jose Sharks. Not bad. Quad Diamond, Rookie Gem Orange for the Chicago Blackhawks, Teuvo Teravainen. Teuvo Teravainen for Chicago. And And for this is probably Colorado. Yeah, it's got the Colorado logo there. Colorado again. Peter Forsberg, quad diamond. Sean B is just killing it. Brad, as I said, there might be sure, but there might be a spot or two up. But we had someone before you who asked for a spot. Chad asked for a spot. I'll let you guys know after this. Okay, we have a triple diamond, Brandon Cruzon, rookie gems for the Toronto Maple Leafs. And for the Islanders, Frans Nielsen, double jersey, Frans Nielsen. Base. Triple diamond for the Rangers, Marty St. Louis. So let you guys know, double diamonds, as always, is considered a base. But if you really want it, I can send it to you. But double diamonds in our black diamond boxes are base. Triple diamond rookie gems for the Detroit Red Wings, Ryan Sproul. Double diamond, Jacob Voracek for the Flyers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the double diamonds aside. If you have a pile already coming to you, I will throw that in. If you don't, it will just go to the base pile. Henrik Sedin for the Canucks. So I can already tell that's coming because we had a Canucks hit. There is double diamond Rick Nash for the Rangers. For the Rangers, dual jersey. Triple diamond Tuukka Rask for the Bruins. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, quad diamond rookie gems Vladislav Nemesnikov. We have a red, and it is for Colorado again. 3 diamond Ruby for the Avalanche, Matt Duchene. This is number 20 of 50. Matt Duchene for the Avalanche. Quad diamond Matt Sundin for the Stinky Leafs. Yeah, Clara got a jersey card. Double diamond John Gibson, Anaheim. Base. For the Buffalo Sabres, Jake McCabe, triple diamond rookie gems. Quad diamond Patrick Roy for the Colorado Avalanche. Sorry, Patrick Roy most played is Montreal. So it is a Montreal. Patrick Roy, as our rules indicate, if they are not playing in the NHL. Double diamond Pecorine for Predators. Double diamond, Nicholas Backstrom, Washington. Sure you can. I'll add it to your pile. Triple diamond, Henrik Zetterberg for the Red Wings. And, oh, nice. For the LA King, oh, there's a double diamond of Adam Oates, Boston, if Boston wants it. Championship rings, Stanley Cup champions. That is Jarrett Stoll for the LA Kings. For the LA Kings, Jarrett Stoll. And Gibson. Gibson is there. We'll just put that there. Base pile. And our last box, 15-16 Series 2. Box number 020. Let's go. If you haven't got a hit, time to get one. Oh, it is? Okay, cool. Good to know, good to know. Yeah, as our rules say, if it's a current player, if they're playing right now, it goes to the team they're currently playing for. Just like that Rick Nash, that's going for the Rangers. If it is a retired player, it goes to the team they played most for. Oh, I thought it was McDavid, guys. I thought we did it with the first pack again. Neil Yakupov, canvas for the Oilers. That card fooled me and Lee a couple of times, Wes. Logan Shaw, Florida. That would have been a nice $10 spent there, Wes. For the Bruins, Jonas Kemppainen. Sorry, Jonas Kemppainen. For the Bruins. For the Ottawa Senators, Matt O'Connor. Portraits, Nick Ritchie for the Ducks. Michael Karanin, Young Guns for Minnesota. Swear to God, I've hit that Young Gun in every box. Ryan O'Reilly, canvas for the Sabres. For the Jets, Nikolai Ehlers. Nice hit. You're the exclusive. 93 of 100. Young Guns, Buffalo Sabres, and Montreal. 93 of 100. Young Gun checklist exclusive. Buffalo is Evan Brown, and Montreal is Thomas A. Card has to go randomized, and one of you guys will be the lucky owner of that card. Unless the other person wants to make a deal, let me know. Bet Pesh, Carolina. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that name right or not. I think that's... Do you guys know how to pronounce it? Let me know. Mike Condon, Montreal. Chris Weidman, Ottawa Senators. Oh, is it a $100 card? Not bad. I just read your comment there, Wes. Base. Teddy Purcell, canvas for the Oilers. Radek Faxa, Young Guns for the Stars. Haven't seen it. I have to. I can check. LA Kings, Jonathan Quick. Come on, let's get a big Rangers hit for Clara. For the Canucks, Jake Virtanen, retro rookie. For the Canucks, Hunter Shinkaruk. Still upset letting this guy go. Oh, there it is for the Buffalo Sabres, Jack Eichel. Jack Eichel for the Sabres. Nice hit, Sabres. Nice hit. Oh, nice hit. Whoa, look at this pack. Young Gun Canvas and UD Signatures in the same pack. Pittsburgh Penguins, UD Signature, Patrick Hornquist. That is Ricky Paul. Pittsburgh did good in the break. And for the Florida Panthers, Connor Brickley, Young Gun Canvas. Florida, Ricky as well. Ricky, you got both of those. Brock McKinn, Carolina. That's a good box of Series 2. Rainbow Milan Lucic for LA. That was a very good box of Series 2. A Young Gun checklist. A Eichel Young Gun autograph. Devin Shore for the Stars. And it had a Young Gun canvas as well. So that was a very good box. Sam Britton for the Florida Panthers. So that was it, boys and girls. This is our group break number 615 Friday special. We have one random to do, and which is this card right here. I will set up the randoms, and I'll be right back. Thank you.